Yo YouTube, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this. This is going to be a hack for Chrome Valley Customs. And as you guys can see, hopefully it focuses up there. But what we're going to be able to do is get basically unlimited amount of gems in Chrome Valley Customs. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It won't take too long. And basically what we're going to get there is basically 999,999 gems. If you guys were to buy this in real life, this would cost so much money. With this mod and hack plugin for Chrome Valley Customs, I'm going to be showing you the exact process of how I actually do this and how basically you guys are going to get those 999 gems. Hopefully it focuses up. Yeah, basically what I'm going to do is show you guys exactly how to do this, and it won't take too long on Chrome Valley Customs. So what we need to do in order to actually go ahead and get this, guys, is we're going to have to make sure we have an iOS or Android and we have Chrome Valley Customs updated on the latest game files. Now what I also am going to do, I'm going to turn on my screen recording so you guys can go ahead and see and follow along what I'm doing. But as you guys can see, make sure you have Chrome Valley Customs installed on your App Store or Google Play Store. You can also make sure it is updated. So let's go here. Okay, and as you guys can see, Chrome Valley Customs, it says open. Make sure you guys have that. And now we can actually go ahead and get the mod plugin. Now this mod plugin is available on iOS and Android. You won't need a computer or anything like that. What we need is we're going to go ahead and actually get the app installed. So head over here to Safari, and I'm going to go to the browser. We're going to go to this website. It's a plugin website. It's called easyplugin.com. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in, easyplugin.com. So that's how you spell it, guys, easyplugin.com. Should be all good. Give it a load. And what it's going to do is take us to this website right here, as you guys can see. Just press I understand, and you're going to see, so that's how you spell it, guys, Easy Plugin. So just go to the search bar on Easy Plugin and just type in Chrome, so it's C-H-R-O-M-E, and you're going to see Chrome Valley Customs Plugin, installer for both iOS and Android. Very nice. Tap on that and press Start Install. And that's basically going to install the Chrome Valley Customs to your device, the mod plugin to your device, and get you those unlimited gems in the game. So you guys just gotta wait for this, and it's pretty much done. This literally doesn't take too long. And yeah, download and get the Chrome Valley Customs plugin. Like I said, in under 2 minutes, 5 minutes, you're gonna have all those gems installed. Now, once this black bar is done loading, what it is gonna require is some additional plugin files in order for the Chrome Valley Customs plugin to install. So you're gonna, on the next page is gonna be a YouTube video with the additional plugin files. Go ahead and actually get 2 to 3 of them that are required in order to get that. Make sure you are doing that. It is very important. Get them and go ahead and install the additional plugin files. Once you've done that, Chrome Valley Customs mod will be installed with all the gems, and you can go ahead and start playing with all that. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any help, drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've stayed to the end of this video, I am giving a $100 MasterCard gift card away. This is completely unopened. All you need to do is a like, comment, and subscribe to enter, and make sure you comment so I know you're not a robot just randomly commenting. But that's how easy it is, guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.